Agkistrodon halys, commonly known as the Korean pit viper or the Asiatic pit viper, is a venomous snake found in various parts of Asia, including Korea, China, and Japan. While its venom can be dangerous and potentially lethal, it has been traditionally used in certain cultures for medicinal purposes. However, it is important to note that there is limited scientific evidence to support the health benefits of Agkistrodon halys. Some traditional uses of the venom from Agkistrodon halys include pain relief. The venom contains peptides that have been shown to have analgesic pain-relieving effects. However, more research is needed to determine the effectiveness and safety of using this venom for pain relief. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some compounds found in the venom have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which may have potential therapeutic applications in conditions such as arthritis. However, further research is needed to fully understand the anti-inflammatory properties of the venom. Cardiovascular benefits. Some studies suggest that the venom may have potential cardiovascular benefits, such as reducing blood pressure and improving blood flow. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings and determine the safety of using the venom for this purpose. It is important to note that using Agkistrodon halys venom for medicinal purposes should only be done under the guidance of a qualified healthcare professional. The venom can be dangerous and potentially lethal, and should never be used without proper medical supervision.